Hello everyone, welcome back to Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah, this is Clint Hanson.
Hello.
We're here to answer your questions and we're super excited to do it.
Are.
We are.
Yeah.
Clint!
Yes, sir.
I like your hat.
Thanks, I like it too.
It's very nice.
I've been looking for one for a long time.
Yeah? Are you, did you get it for any reason, or?
Well, yeah, I've been looking for one for a long time.
Yeah.
I finally found one that fit my head.
Right?
But yeah, there's a theme to it. Trying to get, fully into it. I'm going to England. That's what she's getting at. Going on a little vacation with the wife. Doing some things. Yeah, never been to England.
I haven't either.
Yeah, it's from what I hear, food's gonna be good from my perspective because I eat really bland stuff. So the whole idea of fish and chips and just plain shit, I'm pretty excited about.
Yeah, that's so great. And Europeans, they know how to do chocolate and coffee and tea. I mean, all the important things, the most important things to me. Yeah.
Things.
So you're gonna sightsee?
I think we're gonna do a little bit of that. Yeah, definitely gonna be going to London, and I'm really curious how much you see from the trains also. Going across country, and because we will be in the country a little bit where their family lives, celebrating my wife's uncle's birthday. So there's 2 nights of partying there, and then we're gonna track to London, and I'm gonna go see a lifelong friend, kind of like my big brother to me, Simon, and meet his friends and hang out with him a little bit. And yeah, we got some stuff planned.
That's so exciting.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Are you gonna do like the Jane Austen tour and like go to Bath and everything and see her house, or like Downton Abbey and visit Highclere Castle, or like Poldark territory? You go up there?
I don't know any of that shit is, Sarah. I mean,
Okay.
maybe.
All right, cool.
I'll text Emily and see what she's got planned. But
I'll send you a bunch of information. I'm a huge Jane Austen fan, and there's lots of wonderful places to visit having to do with Jane Austen and British literature in general. I'm very excited. I'm very excited for you.
All right, I will try to seek out those things and see what I can bring back.
I don't think you would regret it.
All
Maybe
right.
you would, but I wouldn't regret it.
I'll take your word for it.
Yeah. Hey, are you ready for a question?
I am. Let's do that.
Great. Okay. Our friend Argentum says,
Alrighty.
wait a minute. You're not off the hook yet about the QPQ 416R stainless barrels. So, nitriding stainless AR barrels seems to be a new trend. Why is that? I know it adds extra cost, but adding hardness and corrosion resistance seems like a no-brainer to me. Does nitriding a SS barrel negatively affect accuracy and tolerances compared to non-nitrided counterparts? I'm going to say inquiring minds want to know.
I understand. Yeah, that's a fair question. I don't think it's the newest process or the newest trend that's going on. Maybe it's more in the forefront, and obviously we're doing it. And this is part of the launch of our 223 barrels that have a nitride, melanite, QPQ finish, whatever you want to call it. So I think it's being more successfully done currently. Do I think it's doing anything negative? No, I don't think we'd do it if it was. It may change your break-in procedure a little bit, but no, I think our MOA guarantee is still protected. You're going to be fine from the accuracy department. But yeah, I think it's adding only good and nothing negative.
Clint?
Yes, Sarah?
Are you ready for a second question?
I believe I am.
Brilliant. I'll stop now. Our friend Isaac Sanchez says that someone told me the 11.3-inch Hanson I'm considering advised the non-stainless Hanson is a pencil barrel which will heat up too fast and is not a good option. Can anyone tell me if this is true, and do they recommend Hanson or government profile just in case of rapid fire?
All right, so he's right. So the 11.3 is a non-stainless steel barrel because there's not an 11.3 stainless option. All right, let's just get that clear. But I think we're going a little overboard in terms of, hanging on to, a past question or what somebody else is saying, okay? So, in the grand scheme of things, if you want to take a 16-inch pencil stainless steel Hanson barrel, throw a suppressor on it, and go put it through a carbine course or do something, you can, and you'll succeed, and it'll be fine. When we're comparing which one is better and just really diving into it like that, that's where I'm going to be like, yeah, this 750 version of that same barrel is probably going to be better than that 625 in the event of rapid fire or full auto fire. But yeah, there's We have an 11.3 with a suppressor, and we shoot it full auto, and it succeeds, and it's accurate. So to say that that barrel can't do it or it's a bad idea, I think that's erroneous. You can absolutely do it. But if we're getting into the brass tacks of it all, a thicker barrel is going to be better. So if that is something that's on your mind, then go with the government. It's 750. You know, that profile's been around for years and years. So you can do that. But you can definitely succeed with the 11.3. I just wanted to get that out there. Just from the tone of this question. Because I think we're hanging on to words too much in each one of these Q&A videos. See what I'm saying here? Let's have a little bit more of an open mind. You know, rapid fire or full auto fire, yes, okay, I'm not going to take my stainless barrel and just go melt it, and I'm not going to recommend you do it either. But what is rapid fire? Is that how you're supposed to shoot an AR-15? You know, is it a few shots in succession that are going to be pretty fast in a carbine course or getting it hot? Yeah, that's typical stuff. It's going to happen. I don't think that's melting a stainless barrel. I don't think that's going to be affecting our pencil profile, especially when we don't go quite as lean on our pencil as other companies do. I'm not going to mention any names or anything like that, but we go about as thin as we want to so we can ensure that we still maintain a certain amount of rigidity and structure to that barrel while giving you some weight savings. But yeah, I hope that answered it for you. If you want 11.3, my friend, and you want to use that, I think you go right ahead and you shoot it however the hell you want to. That's my answer.
Awesome.
Okay?
You did such a good job.
I certainly hope so.
You did.
It seemed a little off. I don't know how good I feel about it, but you guys be the judge.
You should feel good. You should feel solid. You should feel dapper.
I think I'm just sick. So I don't feel it. I feel like shit.
Aw, I'm sorry.
I'll be fine.
I'm sorry. Take lots of emergency and eat well and drink lots of water.
Drink lots of water. I think I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna try to sweat it out before I get on the plane.
Yeah.
But
maybe do some yoga.
Possibly.
Yoga is good for you when you're not feeling good. Soup, some soup.
Yeah, all those things are good.
Oh man, but I'm sure like once you get to England, you're gonna be like, I feel great.
Probably.
Yeah.
I think so. I'll be able to overlook it. I'm looking for a nice peaceful plane ride. No children. I love my kids, but I need some peace. I need this vacation. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this.
Awesome. Well, you did such a good job. Yes, you did.
Yes, you do. Yes, you did.
Yes, you did. Believe
Thank
it.
you. I appreciate it.
And our friends who sent us your questions, you guys did such a lovely job. Guys, if you liked this video, and we know you did, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos up every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. And if you want to see Clint Hanson here answer one of your questions, or you want to talk about England or Thanksgiving or Jane Austen, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what she sends us. Yay! Yeah. Cool. Awesome. Cool.
Yeah.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cool. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Clint,
Sarah.
are you ready to answer a question?
I believe I am.
Brilliant.
If you couldn't keep your shit together, then why ask me to do it?